Welcome and hello. My name is Kim. I am behind the scenes working in Transcend's accounting group. Although you won't see or talk to me, I am part of the team to help push the button after your board approves the final budget. Today, we'll explore the process of developing an annual budget for a community association. Transcend Community Management does like to get started early on to make sure that we have time to really give time for your board liaison and your team to prepare a detailed budget for the following year. The budgeting process is structured and detailed, ensuring all financial needs and strategic goals are addressed. It usually kicks off in late summer and involves several key stages from initial preparation to final approval. Initial preparation being when the key personnel, including the board liaison and the treasurer, and possibly another board member, start to prepare the initial draft. This stage involves collecting and analyzing data from the current and past years to estimate future needs. The team assesses how the current year's budget has performed against actual expenses and income. This review helps identify areas where the budget met the association's needs effectively and where adjustments are necessary. Next, financial data is collected, including assessment income based on current dues and expected changes, and other income from rentals, fees, and investments. Major areas of expenses are reviewed and forecasted for the next year, which includes historical utility costs. These are analyzed, and upcoming rates are researched to project future utility expenses. Adjustments are made based on any expected changes in usage or rates. All contracts are reviewed for renewal terms and price adjustments. This includes landscaping, security, pool maintenance, and other regular services the community requires. Also, current insurance policies are reviewed, and potential increases are anticipated based on trends in the insurance market or changes in the association's coverage needs. Another very important area is the reserve fund contributions for the upcoming year. These are evaluated to ensure adequate funding for long-term repair and replacement needs based on the reserve study updates. Once data is collected and analyzed, the board liaison and treasurer draft the initial budget, detailing each category of income and expenditure. Once all necessary data is collected and preliminary analysis is complete, the board liaison and the treasurer draft the initial budget. This draft is developed using detailed line items that explain each category of income and expenditure. The draft budget is then discussed in a series of meetings or exchanges between the board liaison, the treasurer, and other involved board members. Feedback is solicited to ensure all perspectives are considered, and revisions are made accordingly. This iterative process helps refine the budget to accurately reflect the community's financial needs and goals. The draft budget undergoes a series of discussions and revisions among board members to ensure it accurately reflects the community's financial needs and goals. Stakeholder engagement is crucial. Input from the community and professional consultants ensures the budget aligns with best practices and legal requirements. The final draft is presented to the entire board for approval in a formal meeting, where it is discussed in detail and voted on. This typically happens in a formal board meeting where the budget is discussed in detail. Board members vote on adopting the budget. Once approved, the budget is communicated to the community, often with an explanatory note or a meeting to discuss changes and implications for residents. Following approval, the budget becomes the guiding financial document for the next fiscal year. It directs how funds are collected, allocated, and spent, ensuring the association's financial health and the community's well-being. By starting in late summer, Transcend ensures there is ample time to consider all factors thoroughly and involve all necessary parties, leading to a well-crafted budget that supports the community's needs effectively.